LandTrack Systems delivers practical industry-specific training courses across key areas like tenement management, WA mining compliance, native title, Aboriginal heritage, and understanding tenement expenditure. Courses are offered in live, online formats, in-person workshops, and on-demand modules designed to build real-world capability. Hi, I'm Peter Brammall. I come from a background in tenement management, so I know firsthand the pressures that comes from maintaining compliance, meeting reporting deadlines, and protecting tenure. That experience is what drew me to LandTrack Systems, because I've lived the problems this software is built to solve. I understand the pain points of exploration teams and legal departments and land managers, and I see this role as an opportunity to help clients to avoid the same challenges I once faced. From missed expenditure targets to late lodgements, I know how costly these mistakes can be. What excites me the most is the chance to combine my industry knowledge with a solution that genuinely streamlines operation and reduces risks. I'm confident I can connect with clients on their level and show them how LandTrack tools don't just make life easier, they protect real business value. The training is geared towards tenement managers, exploration admins, legal professionals, and critically accountants involved in managing and reporting tenure. Courses are continuously updated based on the latest legislation, policy changes, and client feedback. They are also delivered by experienced industry practitioners, not just trainers, ensuring the content is highly relevant and grounded in real operational challenges.